Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I am making Brazil nut milk today. It is fresh, delicious, it's so good. It's my go-to. It makes me feel so proud that I'm able to do this all on my own. A little bit of background on nut milk. Nut milks have universally no calories, and they have as much or even more calcium and vitamin D. Many nut milks contain fiber as well, which is something that you won't find in cow's milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this milk for you. Stay tuned. If you have any questions, just let me know down below in the comments. All right, check it out. These are pre-soaked Brazil nuts. I've soaked them overnight in spring water. I'm adding them to my blender. I also have 3 pitted dates that I have washed, and I will add them to my mixture. Now I am adding about a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can add a little more or less, just depending upon your taste. And then a pinch of salt. It looks like it was a lot, but it was only a little bit that came out. I had a little bit of a hard time. Himalayan salt is what I use. And then you want to add to that about 4 to 5 cups of fresh spring water and blend that all up. Now I have a clean bowl and a nut bag. Basically, it's just a bag with really tiny holes that you use to filter all of the big pieces out of it. Look at that milk. I just love it, and it smells delicious. And all you want to do here is just squeeze all of the liquid out of the bag. As you can see, you're left with just the pulp of the nut. If you guys have any ideas of what I can do with it, let me know. I've heard that you can use them in like cookies or just like a filler in something that you want to add a little bit of thickness to. What do you guys do? Let me know. So here I am pouring everything into my cute little glass. I got this little bottle at Target. It was like $3.99. It comes with a top, so it's perfect. They also have quart sizes too. And I believe, I'm sorry, I meant liter sizes. So if you want to pick those up, that's perfect. I just use it for myself, so I don't really need a huge bottle. And I don't drink that much milk to get that size. Here I'm just adding more spring water, so the total amount of spring water you add is about 7 to 8 cups in total. And there you have it, fresh Brazil nut milk. Try it, let me know what you think.